this video, we're going to learn how to handle a button using the addEventListener. First, I'm going to write the button. So I'm going to write button ID equals, and then button ID, for example. And then I'm going to write the button name. So I'm going to write click. So when I run the program, a button called click will pop up. But when I click it, nothing happens. So I'm going to get the element of the button in JavaScript. So I'm going to write let button equal document dot get element by ID. Then inside the parentheses, I'm going to write the ID of the button, which is button ID. Then I'm going to write the function that's supposed to run when the button is pressed. So I'll write function and then the function name, which I'll call onClick, because I want it to run when the button is clicked. Then I'll write curly braces, and inside the curly braces I will write what I want to happen. So I want the console to say hi. So now I'm going to write the addEventListener to connect the button and the function. So I'm going to write button dot addEventListener and then parentheses, and inside the parentheses I'm going to write a comma. So we have two parameters. In the first parameter, I'm going to write the action to trigger the function, and then in the second parameter I'm going to write the function that gets triggered by the action. So I'm going to write the action, which will be click, and then the function onClick. So when I run the program, when I click the button, it will say hi.